month and I want to break down my revenue for the month of June. I really want to start being more transparent and just sharing with you guys not only how much I make per month, but how I'm making that money per month. People online share all the time that they're making $5, $10, $15, $20,000 online, which is incredible. But breaking down exactly where that income comes from, I think not only makes it more realistic, but it shows you exactly how you can do the same thing and how it's possible. I used to watch people online bring in hundreds of thousands of dollars, and it was so exciting and inspiring for me because I knew deep down if they could do it, I could do it. And I want you to feel the same way. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm not any different than you are. So I want to share with you exactly how I do it. So if you have any questions or anything, make sure you drop a comment below. I'm here to help you on your social media journey. So this is how I brought in over $16,000 as a full-time content creator / influencer, whatever you want to call it. If you are new to my channel, take a second, hit that red subscribe button. My channel is all about helping you save money and make money online. So every Friday in my Bet on Yourself series, I'm posting a new video for how to grow and monetize your social media. That way you can start living the life of your dreams. You can work by yourself, for yourself, from wherever you want, however much you want, which is incredible. So being able to work for myself has been the scariest decision I ever made, but absolutely the biggest paying off decision that I've ever made and the best decision. So I want more and more women to be able to do the same thing that I do because it is honestly incredible to make as much money as I make doing something I absolutely love. I don't even feel like I'm working. I wake up every day excited to reach out to my audience and answer their questions and just help them on their financial journey. Okay, let's dive in. So I wrote down everything on my notebook here so I can be as accurate as possible, so bear with me. Okay, so in total, I brought in $16,324.71. So that's what we're gonna be breaking down into the different revenue streams that I have. So first, from YouTube, you guys are obviously watching this video and YouTube does pay me with the ads on the video. That could be ads in the beginning, throughout the video, or at the end of the video. So because my account is monetized, I made $1,895.52 in the month of June. Plus I got paid another $147.12 from the ads over on my website. So when people click on my website, there's little ads on it and stuff, nothing crazy, but $147 can cover my gas and stuff for the entire month, which is awesome. Next is going to be sponsorships. I got paid $5,000 for one sponsorship that I did previously. So that payment came in the month of June. So obviously I calculate that in the month that it comes in. That's how it's all organized on my QuickBooks and it just makes it easier to understand. So I got $5,000 from a sponsorship. Affiliate marketing, a website that I work with is Cactus Media. I made $167 from people clicking on my links or signing up for coupons or doing deals or anything like that that I've referred people to. Using my affiliate links, I make commission off of that. So $167 is from commission. Another affiliate that I work with is selling coupon inserts. So I made $52.42 from that website called BQ. Then I made from PayPal $1,796.87. Now this is kind of an accumulation of a lot of things. This is other affiliate marketing programs and referral programs from rebate apps like Swagbucks whenever I cash out. Shopkick pays me also whenever I cash out, and I have a separate affiliate program with them as well when people use my link. So it's kind of a combination of a bunch of things, but they all go to my PayPal, so that's what that revenue is from. Then the biggest form of revenue for the month of June, which I am extremely excited about, is my own personal programs, courses, and digital products that I sell. Total from that is $7,045. So that is from my Journey to Savings program, where I help people learn how to coupon and save money step by step. That's also from my new social media journey program, where I help women learn how to grow and monetize their social media so they too can start bringing in an extra $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 a month doing something they love. So if you're interested in a free social media coaching call, if you need help with growing on social media, that'll be linked below for you in the description box. We can book a free call, go over your goals. I will audit one of your social media channels, whether it is TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, so we can put together a game plan to help you reach whatever your goals are. So that'll be below for you in the description box. I only offer 10 per week because that's all the time that I have. So definitely make sure that you snag one before they are gone. So how am I bringing in the $7,000 from my own personal digital products and courses? Well, there's a few different ways. Number one, I usually do a live masterclass, live webinar every single month to help drive sales for one of my courses, Journey to Savings. I also have a virtual assistant. Her name is Vanessa. She's amazing. And she also helps drive traffic to an evergreen webinar that I have. I'll do more videos as well in the future on webinars and all that kind of stuff, what it entails to do one, how to convert it into sales, the whole 9 yards. It's honestly easy once you figure it out, but figuring it out can be kind of a pain in the butt in the beginning if you've no idea what you're doing. So stay tuned on my channel. Every Friday, I'll be posting more content about making money online, how to do it, tips, tricks, and strategies, things that I've learned over the past 5 years of being on social media. So she helps drive traffic with mostly Facebook groups and utilizing Facebook groups to get people to sign up for the Evergreen webinar. So what do I mean by Evergreen webinar? I mean that is a webinar that people can watch at any time, any day. It's automated. I already recorded it and I uploaded it onto a website that people can watch. So that way it opens up the opportunity for more people to be able to gain that knowledge, learn my tips, tricks, and strategies any time of day without having to arrange their schedule and come to one specific time for a live webinar. So that way it's a win-win. If you guys want for me to break down more detail about each one of these revenue streams, just let me know in the comments. I'd love to put together a video for you guys and just make sure that I'm always creating content that's gonna help you guys on your journey. I also got another $90 from referrals from another rebate app that I use called Ibotta. So anytime somebody clicks any of my links, I usually do get a commission. If you guys ever use any of my links or anything in the description boxes, thank you so much. That just helps me and supports me, and I really, really appreciate every single one of you guys. But as you can see with this revenue, every little bit counts and it all adds up. So one revenue stream on its own isn't gonna help you reach your income goals. It's also really important to diversify your income. That way, if say YouTube shuts down or they cancel my account or something crazy happens, I am not just reliant on my income from YouTube to pay my bills, to pay my gas, my car insurance, our mortgage, things like that. I have a bunch of different revenue streams that are paying me every single day, which is awesome. Yes, YouTube pays you once a month, but I have affiliate marketing links and commissions coming in every single day. I also resell my couponing stockpile, so I bring in income from that as well. Oh, I think I missed that. Okay, so reselling my couponing stockpile, last month I made $130.73. It was a slower month. I was super busy, so I wasn't really posting as much. So I'm definitely trying to work on that for this month, July. Now I wanna go over some goals that I have for this month, so that way we can check back on them in August, June, July, August, yep, in August to see how we did in July. So it's important to make sure that you obviously have goals set for yourself for every single month. My goal is to make at least $15,000 per month. If I stuck to making $16,000 per month, that would be a revenue annually of $195,000, which is absolutely incredible. So my goal is to be at $15,000 per month for the year of 2023. Next year, I want that to be up to $20,000 per month, so on and so forth, until I reach my overall goal of making 7 figures. I think that would be absolutely incredible to have that much financial freedom and the amount that I'd be able to help my friends and family, things like that, bringing in that amount of income. So that is my goal overall within the next 10 years, hopefully in the next 5 years. So when you're setting your goals, it's really important to make sure that you know exactly your income streams and then break it down and count backwards how much income you need to bring in per revenue stream and what is your highest revenue stream. Focus on that, put more effort towards that. If that's what's working, do that times 2. Hopefully you'll be able to times 2 the amount of income that you made from that revenue stream. So that's gonna help you a lot. Versus if you take your smallest income stream and you multiply that by 2, it's not gonna really help overall grow your income to reach your goals as much as really focusing on the largest income stream. Another tip that I have for you guys is focus on one at first. If you try to grow 5, 6, 7 income streams at once, they're all gonna grow little by little. But if you focus on one income stream at a time, build it up so that it's working and running passively on its own, then focus on the next income stream, build it up. Then the next one, build it up, so on and so forth. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this has been really helpful and inspiring so that you know that you can do the same thing that I've done online. If you need my help, of course, always reach out. I am here to help you guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this every Friday. See you in the next one. Bye.